This is where Google sends you when you ask to learn AI. 7 days free. Then $49 a month, month after month. Nearly 2 million people are enrolled in just one of these courses. But here is what that checkout page will never tell you. Google already built the free version. Real badges, real certificates, better in places, and it is scattered across 6 of their own websites, so well hidden that it looks like it does not exist. I found every piece, and I did not just map it. I enrolled live on screen, took the first course today, and earned a real Google badge, while the price meter stayed at exactly 0. By the end of this video, you will have the exact enrollment order for all 6 stops, what to skip at every level, and the one course at the top, updated 3 weeks ago, taught with a top London university by the co-lead of Gemini. That would be worth paying for. It costs nothing. That one stays masked until the end, because trust me, it lands harder once you see the ladder underneath it. First, the trap, because you will walk straight into it if you Google Learn AI. The 3 courses Google advertises everywhere: AI Essentials, Prompting Essentials, and the new AI Professional Certificate, all sit behind the same subscription. Their own page says it in writing. The subscription cost is $49 per month. That is $588 a year. None of it is an accredited degree. Nobody's is, including the paid one. Same company, same logo, and a completely free campus hiding one search away. Let me walk you up the ladder. Stop 1. The introduction to Generative AI path on skills.google. 5 short activities. What generative AI is, large language models, responsible AI, prompt design, and applying Google's AI principles. This is the on-ramp, and here is the part I love. The first course is 45 minutes, ends with a 5-question quiz, and hands you a Google Cloud completion badge on the spot. I did it today, on camera. Watch the meter, 0 credits, $0, 1 badge. Skip flag, nobody skips stop number 1. It is 45 minutes, and it gets your first win on the board tonight. Stop 2. AI Boost Bites. 43 10-minute lessons updated 28 days ago. And this is where AI stops being homework and starts being useful. Turn a napkin sketch into a working app. Tame your inbox. Pull a competitor's playbook in minutes. Build a retro arcade game, a weather app, a personal AI tutor. Each one is a single trick with Gemini or Notebook LM that you use the same day. Skip flag. If you already use Gemini every single day, cherry pick 10 bytes and move on. Everyone else. This is where the habit forms. Stop 3. The Gen AI Leader Path. 5 real courses. Beyond the chatbot, foundational concepts, the landscape, Gen AC as AI apps, and agents. About 6.5 hours total, and it is the exact prep Google sells for their leader certification. The prep is free. Full honesty. The certification exam itself is paid. That is the pattern across this whole campus. The learning is free. The exam fee is where they make money. Skip flag. If nobody at work needs to see the word leader on your profile, take stop 3 as a fast survey and do not even think about the exam. Stop 4 is the classic. Google's machine learning crash course. 12 modules, videos, plus interactive exercises. No sign-up wall at all. Millions of people have learned machine learning here since 2018, and it is not frozen in time. There is a brand new module on large language models, plus AutoML and ML fairness. This is where you stop clicking buttons and start understanding models. Skip flag. If you can already train and evaluate a regression model, jump straight past it to stop 5. Quick math. If this map just cancelled a $588 a year subscription for you, that is what this channel does. Subscribe is free. And if you want to back work like this, the join button is right here. Stop 5 lives on Kaggle. Google owns it, and its Learn section is the practice campus. 17 courses, and their own page says it plainly. Provided at no cost, and you can now earn certificates. Python Intro and Intermediate Machine Learning, Deep Learning, Computer Vision, Time Series, even Game AI and Reinforcement Learning. Every course is hands on notebooks. You write real code against real datasets, and the certificates land on your Kaggle profile where recruiters actually look. Skip flag. Take Python only if you need it. If you code daily, go straight to the machine learning tracks. Time to unmask the final stop. The best course on this entire campus is the one Google advertises the least. Google DeepMind AI Research Foundations. 8 activities. Published with University College London. Taught with Oriol Vinyals, the co-lead of Gemini. You do not watch slides about transformers. You build a small language model from the ground up. Tokenize the data, design the network, discover the transformer architecture, fine-tune it, and ship a capstone. It was updated 23 days ago. This is graduate school material, sitting free at the top of a ladder most people never climb, while the ads point you at the $49 checkout instead. And one more receipt, because it tells you exactly how this works. AI Essentials, the course with nearly 2 million students, was listed at zero cost in Google's own blog post in December 2025. 8 months later, it is $49 a month. I am not saying the paid certificates are worthless. The brand name on them is real. I am saying free has a shelf life. This campus is open today, verified August 2026, and every screen you just watched is the receipt. So here is your campus map in order. 1. Introduction to Generative AI. 45 minutes to your first Google badge. 2. AI. Boost Bytes. 43 10-minute wins. 3. Gen AI Leader Prep. Free. Exam optional. 4. Machine Learning. Crash course. 12 modules of real fundamentals. 5. Kaggle Learn. 17 courses. Certificates included. 6. DeepMind AI. Research Foundations. Build your own transformer with Gemini's co-lead. 6 stops. 40 plus hours. Real Google credentials. $0. Tonight's move is stop 1. 45 minutes. Your first Google badge. Done before dinner gets cold. I put the whole thing on one page. The 6 stops in order. Every skip flag. The paid trap checklist, so you never hit a surprise checkout. And the exact links. Comment the word campus, one word, and I will send it to you. And if you have a friend paying $49 a month right now, send them this video before their next billing date. That one share might be worth $588 to them. Here is the thing nobody tells you about that checkout page. The $49 was never buying you knowledge. It was buying you the feeling of a straight line. And now you have the straight line for free. A few months from now, you are the person at work who actually understands what a transformer is, because you built one on Google's own campus with Gemini's co-lead as your professor. Your tuition was $0, and class starts tonight.